Hello there, are you ready for another adventure with Mr. Buggles? As usual, Mr. Buggles is here to forage for food. We all know that rabbits are very fond of eating things. But did you know that they have a very specific way of eating? Rabbits have 4 cheek teeth on each side of their face, which they use to tease and pry apart plants and leaves. They have long, thin tongues that are covered in small hairs, which help them find and taste the sweetness, saltiness, and bitterness of different foods. Mr. Buggles loves to explore new foods and experiment with different flavors. It's important to remember that rabbits need a variety of foods in their diet to stay healthy and strong. They should eat a mix of hay, fresh vegetables, fruits, and grains. You can also give them treats like peas, carrots, and seeds, but make sure they are supervised and given in moderation. So, the next time you see Mr. Buggles, remember that he's not just a cute and playful creature, but also a foodie who loves to explore new tastes and textures. Okay friends, let's enjoy the rest of the video.
Mr. Buggles, where are you going now? Alright, I'm going to try and see if I can move over here a little bit and see if you don't run out of the way. Oops, I'm not trying to scare you, Mr. Buggles. I was just going to sit down, but I guess you don't want me to sit down. All right, Mr. Buggles. Oh, you're eating the dandelion leaves, huh? Okay. You like those dandelion leaves, don't you? Good greens.
Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Mr. Buggles series comes out every Wednesday. Make sure to click that notification bell so you won't miss it. And if you love this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.